Design Mode is the most powerful product we've ever built for design teams. Hello, my name is Adir Yehuda and I'm the CEO and co-founder of AutonomyAI. In the last year, hundreds of product teams changed the way they shipped features with AutonomyAI. With a simple web application, we enable them to connect their existing code base and easy prompting, whether it's short form, long form, they can build new screens and update existing. But one of the gaps we saw in the market is the lack of ability for designers and design teams as a whole to actually be part of this shipping process and reduce friction. So today, we're announcing Design Mode on Face Studio. Design Mode enables designers and design teams superpowers and the ability to actually accelerate everything end-to-end. With our simple interface, once you've connected your repository and your project, or maybe it's even connected, you have the ability to start generating new tasks and updating existing screens. The input within Design Mode could be a photo, could be a Figma, directly here or through our Figma plugin, or even attach Claude Design zip files directly within the product. It will automatically generate the rendering of the flow or the image itself, and then instantly will enable you to play around with what was created. Behind the scenes, it's not just your design system, it's not just your component library, it's the entire coding standards and API mapping of how the organizations work. Guess what? Once I connected this, I can start looking at different variants of the flow. Here I have only one variant in this version. If I go to a V6 option, I will enable all the variants that were generated from the flow. So with a very simple interface, you can see the different variants and everything is fully interactive like the product should be. Now, let's say we want to double down and go a little bit deeper. I can enable the edit option just by clicking this pen, choose an element, maybe two, maybe even three, and then start playing around with it with a full suite of design. Everything from the edit styles to spacing to typography, borders, colors, and so on and so forth. You can even build different effects and add shadows on the flow. Once you choose everything you want, the prompt will be updated here, one click of a button, and it will enable a full generation of the flow all the way to sending this to development for pull requests that will be accepted by your team. Let's say you want to see this in different modes. We also baked in the full option of seeing this in a mobile view. Maybe you want to see it in a tablet or maybe in a desktop view. So you have the understanding of how your users would look at the product and the end result and the fine details. So today we're launching within Face Studio Design Mode. This will enable this amazing superpower for so many designers and so many design teams to actually accelerate the work. And instead of going back and forth and creating all those friction, generate pull requests directly that could be pushed, remove backlog, and take user intent and product intent directly to where it should be. Please support us in Product Hunt. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at adir@autonomyai.io. Also, we have a free playground on the website, so you can go ahead, log in, and play around with the product. I appreciate the support.